We hearing commence with our narration of Yogi Ramacharaka's The Science of Psychic Healing. Copyright 1909 and 1937 by the Yogi Publication Society, entered at Stationers Hall, all rights reserved, ISBN number 09116-6207. 3. Publisher's notice. Publisher again, the Yogi Publication Society. This notice, Chicago, Illinois, April 1906. This book is not a book of theories. It deals with facts. Its author regards the best of theories as but working hypotheses, to be used only until better ones present themselves. The fact is the principal thing, the essential thing, to uncover which the tool, theory, is used. The sanest thinkers, the best investigators, hold no theory, not even the one dearest to them, that they are not ready and willing to throw away when a better one presents itself, whether that better one be discovered by themselves or other persons. This is the true philosophical spirit. It is true that this book may appear dogmatic rather than argumentative, but the author knows of no better way to present the facts of the subject concisely and to the point, free from the web of theory and the quicksands of argument alike. And so he has decided to take the liability of the charge of dogmatism in order to deliver his message to you in the style that he feels will reach the greatest number and thus do the most good. The facts stated in the book, they're true, and may be proven so by you in your actual practice if you will follow the instructions. This, after all, is better than argumentative proofs that fail to prove. The best way to get the benefit of this book is to start in to put its teachings into practice. Do not be content with merely agreeing intellectually to its propositions, but get to work and do something. This is the only way for you to get the benefit of the book, to get your money's worth from the book. The author has placed in your hands the operation of a mighty force of nature. You must do the rest. He has pointed out the way. You must take the steps yourself. He has opened the door, but you must walk through it yourself. We ask the reader to acquaint himself with each and every one of the several methods of healing taught in this book before he determines which he prefers to use. The wisest will take a little from each, rather than to tie himself down to any particular method or system. All are good, but some will be better for individuals than others. The author mentions this fact and tells you how to select. The methods described in this book may be used in self-healing, even when it is not so stated in the text. In fact, self-healing is probably the favorite idea of the author, who believes in people doing things for themselves and being independent so far as is possible. We trust that you will appreciate the value and the simplicity of this book and will put into practice its important instruction. Again, the Yogi Publication Society, Chicago, Illinois, April 1906. And now, to apprise you of the table of contents. There are 21 chapters or lessons. 1. The purpose of the book. 2. natural laws of the body. 3. The instinctive mind. 4. Mind in cells and cell communities. 5. The 3 forms of psychic healing. 6. The principles of pranic healing. 7. The practice of pranic healing. 8. Pranic breathing. 9. Pranic treatments. 10. Autopranic treatments. 11. Thought force healing. 12. Suggestive healing. 13. Practice of suggestive healing. 14. Suggestive treatments. 15. Self-suggestion. 16. Mental healing. 17. Mental healing methods. 18. Metaphysical healing. 19. Spiritual healing. 20. Practice of spiritual healing. And 21. Concluding advice. And by the way, just inside the front cover, we have this, which says, The Science of Psychic Healing by Yogi Ramacharaka, author of Science of Breath, 14 Lessons in Yogi Philosophy and Oriental Occultism, Advanced Course in Yogi Philosophy, Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, etc., etc. A sequel to Hatha Yoga. That's what it says. It's right there. A sequel to Hatha Yoga. Yogi Publication Society, Chicago, Illinois. London agents, L.N. Fowler and I.N. Fowler and Company, 7 Imperial Arcade, Ludgate Circus. E.O. More now. All right, that's it. Now, a sequel to Hatha Yoga, you ask? I have narrated excerpts of it here in this channel. I think it says Hatha Yoga, or excerpts from Hatha Yoga by Yogi Ramacharaka. The thumbnails say Hatha Yoga. So you can have a look at those. Not the entirety of Hatha Yoga, but excerpts from it, which will acquaint you with what's meant here. A sequel to Hatha Yoga. See you in the next video, which will be Chapter 1, which again was the purpose of the book. Until then.